Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be spinning it up just a little bit and looking at a laptop. This here is the HP Spectre 360. A convertible laptop that you can go ahead and use for your day-to-day use, from a laptop to a theater aspect and as well as a tablet all in one. Now, if you're watching this video, you're probably in the market for this particular laptop, or you're just looking at laptops in general. So today you'll be seeing exactly what it's about, what it can do, and is it for you. Now, big special thanks to HP for sending over the all-new Spectre 360. And if you guys wanted your own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more future videos as well. Now, this one here is the 13.3-inch laptop, which is the smaller one. It comes in the 14 and the 15, so kind of size matters up to you. This one here is more of a portable version, which is always a plus. Now, this includes the all-new Intel i7 as well as the Iris X graphics cards. So if you don't know what that means, it just means it's a faster system as well as a better graphics system as well. So if you're trying to do some like heavy editing or something like that, this might not be the best laptop for you. However, if you're just using it for a day-to-day basis, as well as being able to do like basic programming and different animations and stuff like that, this might be an ideal candidate. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's all about. Alright, so you get two different packaging. You get your Spectre box as well as a sleeve. Oh, look at this. So this here is actually a really nice laptop cover. So you don't really have to worry about purchasing one, so just keep that in mind. It comes for your laptop as well as a slide for the pen that it comes with. So this here is our lovely, lovely box. It actually looks really cool. So it says Spectre here on the front. Oh. So you see our laptop there, just sitting on the top. We'll look at that in just a little bit. Okay, so what else does it come with? So we have ourselves a quick setup guide here. And then we have a section of just random stuff. So this here is our charger. So this is actually pretty cool. So off of the traditional standard, this one here is actually embedded in it with a cloth-like material, so it's actually a little bit more durable than the traditional rubber. You get your standard wall outlet charger, and then we get ourselves a stylus pen, so that's kind of nice that that's included. And yeah, there you are. So it looks really nice. You do get some extra tips. You get 2 additional tips, and then this here is our HP pen. You just go ahead and slide it up just like that, and you can go ahead and charge it with a USB-C cable, so very standard. All right, so this here is our 360 convertible laptop. All right, so this here is our convertible laptop. First impressions, really, really nice. So it's got that sand-blasted silver on here, so this is actually like a metallic kind of color. And it's actually quite durable, meaning you can go ahead and scratch it up and do all the jazz that you need to kind of roughen it up, and it'll actually handle it quite well. Again, I wouldn't recommend it, but it is there for that purpose. The idea of it is it's a convertible, so you can go ahead and use it as a general laptop. You can go ahead and use it as a theater display kind of aspect. And then lastly, you can use it as a tablet. Now, that's actually kind of cool. So it gives you a 3-in-1 aspect, so you can technically use it for a variety of different things, from your binge watching to your gaming to watching just movies. So it's actually really cool. Now, the design concept of it is very unique. Obviously, with the HP series, it's actually a gem cut style, so you got this diamond kind of feel to it. So you see these corners are not like your typical standard, they're actually indent, so it does give it more dimension, which is actually very unique, and they actually utilize that quite well. You'll notice that this side here, or this corner here, has a power button, and then this corner here has a USB-C port. So you can technically charge it from this port or this port, so they give you 2, and you can go ahead and charge technically like your pen at the same time. And then over here you have a kill switch for your camera, so you don't necessarily have to put tape on your camera anymore. They have a built-in kill switch, which is actually kind of cool. When you go ahead and switch it over, you'll notice that there is actually a physical display that blocks it from working, so it's not like integrated into the system. You do have a good solid privacy. Now, you also have a micro SD port here, so you can go ahead and upload your photos as well as any other necessary information. You have your aux port here on the side, so you can listen to headphones. And then lastly, you have a standard USB-A, surprisingly, in this laptop here. So the way they designed that is actually kind of cool. So what they did was they incorporated this like flap that literally you have to go ahead and pull down, and then you can go ahead and plug it in. So it does still preserve the design concept of the laptop at the same time. And then the actual display itself is very nice. You got this nice thin bezel. So the thin bezel allows you to go ahead and get a nice full perspective, so you're not really wasting any space on your screen, and kind of preserves the actual size of the laptop, so it makes it more compact. Now you have this nice wide range keyboard here, showcasing all the letters that you can use, and then you have this nice wide mouse pad so you can go ahead and move about. Now other than that, you do have your touch sensor here, so you can go ahead and use a fingerprint display. So we'll go ahead and lock the actual laptop as well, so you can use that for that. And yeah, let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on and see what it can do. So this here is the Intel i7 at 2.8 gigahertz with a built-in RAM of 15.6. Keep in mind that you cannot expand on it. The moment you open it up, you'll find that it is hardwired into it, so what you build is what you get. Other than that, the specifications is running Windows 10, 64-bit operating with 8x64 base processor, meaning pretty quick. Should handle most softwares, most games, shouldn't be an issue. And yeah, I mean, other than that, it's a pretty standard laptop for what it is. Alright, so this here is our 4K display. It's surprisingly, actually not surprisingly, it's actually very, very nice. So no matter what angle you're looking at it, you can see it's actually quite crisp and it's quite clear. And literally that is what you want in a laptop. Now, obviously it is a very smaller laptop than the traditional one, but the fact that it's actually quite long in terms of screen goes, it goes all the way to the edge, so it does kind of give you a nice full perspective. So it's actually not that bad. Now, in terms of the functionality goes, it's actually quite useful and very easy to use. Obviously, you do get the two different ways of touching the screen as well as the mouse pad, so you can go ahead and open up a browser by simply just double clicking on the screen just like that. You can go ahead and go to our website here, so if I click here and type in KhanFlicks.com, we can go ahead and load up our website here, and then you can go ahead and even like scroll through it just using our finger. You can go ahead and pinch and zoom in, pinch out. You can always even go ahead and use the mouse pad too on the bottom, so that's actually a nice function. So if I hit double click, I can go ahead and move down, up, and I can go ahead and even pinch down as well. So that's actually a really standard, nice usage. Now, obviously with the screen itself, it's actually very, very nice high quality, and I think that's actually the added plus to this particular computer, so you can go ahead and watch movies and run 4K videos and just do a variety of different things. Obviously when you do get in the higher programming or like the gaming, that's when you kind of hear the humming from the fan, and just the fact that it is a laptop that you kind of have to put on a tabletop at that point. But doesn't mean you can't do it, it's just be cautious. That's all. Anyways, so moving back to the actual laptop itself, if we go ahead and go on to say like YouTube over here, watch our trailer here, and you can hear the volume. We do a variety of different things such as robotic kits, RC cars, drones, and a variety of different tech or future tech you've probably never seen before. So kind of gives you an idea, but in terms of the volume goes, it is loud, but it is not crazy loud, so you can't really have a dance party with this, and there's not that much bass, but it is good enough to go ahead and watch something, be it a movie, be it a video, whatever. So if you do want to go ahead and utilize it to the full advantage, I would recommend a separate speaker if necessary. Now we can go ahead and go back here and see exactly how we can use more of an interactive display. So if I click on one of these 360 videos that we recently uploaded, alright, so this here's an interactive display, so you can go ahead and move it about. This is kind of nice. So if we're in big screen mode here, you can actually go ahead and see what's going on. So that's actually kind of nice that you can go ahead and use it for this function. Most computers have trouble running this, surprisingly. Kind of gives you an idea what that's about. Obviously, it is a good laptop for what it is. You can go ahead and play games, you can just use it for your basic functions, and yeah, that's kind of it. Now, if you're looking more for a laptop, now we can also go ahead and kind of fold this display just like this and use this as a theater mode, so we can technically watch a movie on here, sit back, relax, or even play games on here as well, which is always an added plus. And you can always go ahead and even use it as a tablet. So I go ahead and fold it over just like this. There we are. This here is our tablet mode. Now notice on the back here you do have these pads. This here will go ahead and protect your keyboard. So if you do put it down just like this, nothing's going to happen to it. Now all you do is go ahead and double click on something like this. We can go ahead and open up whatever, and you can go ahead and scroll down. Look at that. This is really cool. So this here is actually a really nice high quality display in terms of a tablet goes. So useful for reading books, studying, you know, just the basic stuff. Alright, and there you guys have it. So this here is the Spectre 360 laptop by HP. Overall, a great functioning laptop that does give you the 3-in-1, allowing you to go and use it as a laptop, as a display mode, and of course a tablet. Now if you guys have any questions about it, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.